Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add a pop-up to Shopify Store. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So currently, as you can see, I'm on my Shopify admin panel. You simply need to head over to your search bar and type in here for pop-up, and you will be able to head over to this particular section, and from there I am going to be recommending you to download particular application. If you search for pop-up, you will be able to see various apps. So this pop-up convert, and using this you can easily create amazing looking pop-up pages and banners to Shopify. Simply install it and you can go through all of its details. You can see how it is going to be looking. So it is going to be also highly effective if you are looking to create the pop-up yourself. It is not going to be that much appealing, so I recommend using this integration with Shopify, and this is going to be helping you to create a pop-up in Shopify Store. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.